Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will guide you to how to see who forward your calls or message, or how to check who spy your phone calls. How to see who spy your call. If you want to see your phone call is being spied, this video is for you. Watch the video to end so that you not mix any steps. Let's go. First, you dial this number. You dial *21# and you send the number. Yes, you send the number. So you are waiting. You wait small. Good. You see, not forwarded. It means your phone calls, your effort is not spying by someone, or no one is monitoring your phone calls and other things. And not that. You go to settings. Follow the steps so that you not mix any steps. You go to settings. So we click on settings. Under settings, you search for calls forward. So here we search for call forward. But let me tell you something. In some phone, you can see them here. When you scroll down, you can see them here. But to not find yourself struggling or whatever, so to make it simple, you search for call forwarding. You click on call forwarding. Here we are checking whether someone is sparing our calls. So here it's loading. So we wait patiently for it to finish loading. Here you see call forwarding, call bearing, call waiting. So you click call forwarding. You see voice calls and video calls. So you click on the voice calls. So you see whether the voice calls you have been making is being forwarded to someone, or someone is sparring for your calls. You see here, forward calls when busy, forward calls when unanswered. So it means these numbers are for the telcos. That's telecommunication network that we are using. So they always monitor your this. Apart from them, no external person is monitoring or spying your calls. So all this thing is the number. So if you like, you can disable, you can update it, you can cancel, you can disable. So this means no, apart from the telecommunication network that you are using, no any external person is monitoring or spying your call. So this is how to check. Can you subscribe to my channel if you are new to the channel? Bye bye.